Ready? Walk, walk. That's it. Good boy. Good boy. Stay. Yes. Good boy, Sonoma. Stay. Good boy. Just got at 1 mile an hour. Walk. Good boy. Good boy. Don't jump off. Keep going. Yeah. Stay. Good. You're doing way better than I thought you were going to do. Stay. Keep going. Keep going. No. Keep going. That's why I'm here for spotting. Let's do this. Keep going. No. Good boy. Keep going. Good boy. Gotta keep up. Tremble's moving faster than you are. Come on, look. I'll stand here. Good boy. Keep going. Okay, hold on. Come here. Let's try again. Let's stop it. Can you move up a little? Come here. There, good boy, stay. Walk. Good boy. Let's go. That's it. Good. Turn around and walk. That's it. That's it. Keep going. Focus. Richter, leave it. Leave him. Keep going, Sonoma. Good boy, Sonoma. Walk. Let's go. Go, go, go. Go. Keep going. You can't stop. You're going to go off the end. That's why I'm standing here. Keep walking. Walk. Walk. Good boy. Gotta practice until I feel totally comfortable with you on here. Keep going. Alright, is that it for right now? For treadmill? You went 1/10 of a mile. Oh, stretch. Do you want to do yoga? Okay. We go through the tunnel. Go through the tunnel. Okay. We're going to try to stand on our hind legs. No, not the tunnel. This way. Come here. Ready? No, not the tunnel. Sonoma, you've got that one down. Oh, I didn't mean to sit down, but good boy. Good boy. All right, stand. Ready? Give me your paws. No, not through the tunnel. Sonoma. I know you like that one. Come on, I want to try to do like a handstand with you one day. Ready? Stand. Back up. Back up. The tunnel. Stand. Stay. Stay. And ready? Stand up. Here we go. Good boy. That's it. That's it. Good boy. Yes. Good. Now we'll try it again, okay? Oh, don't go away from me. Ready? No. What are you doing? Come here. Sonoma. Really? Yeah, you're cute. Sit. All right. Let's try something laying down. 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 That's it. I gotta make sure my treats are closed. Stay. This is actually really good because if you were gonna collapse, you would hurt your dog, and you don't want to do that. Stay. Do 10. 3. Stay. 6. Good boy. Kiss. Kiss. Give me a kiss. Here's my kiss. Good boy. We're gonna try a side plank over your canine. Here you go. Okay, ready? Stay. Down, stay. Does my arm go this way? I think so. That's good. Good boy, yeah. I need to think of some other things for you to do. And then go here. Other side. Stay there. Thank you for the kiss. I'm not holding these very long, but I'm just trying to get some ideas. You do like push up until you hit your, you're not going very far because you're a big boy. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, should we like wrestle? That's what we should do. Wrestle? What do you want to do? Lay on me? Go ahead, down. Oh boy. I asked for it. Okay, let's try this. I got an idea. Lap. Yep, that's it. Lap. With your paws down. Lap. Good. Now, stay there. Good. Stay. Good boy, stay. And down. Keep your head down. Right on me. Good boy. Keep your paw up. Good. And I'm gonna lift again. No, you just stay there. You got the easy part. Head down. Good boy, stay. And lift. Hey, but where's all the weight? You gotta come on me, buddy. Oh, there we go. Good boy, that was it, that was it, that was it. Head down. Stay. Stay. Head down. All right, you're trying. You got one paw up there. One more time. Lap. You can do that, but you stay there. Stay. Good boy. Stay. Yes. Good boy. Kiss. I know you're looking for your treat. I'm grabbing your bag. I know. Come on. Sit down. Down. Can we try a handstand? Like a wheelbarrow walk? Let's try that. Good. I'm gonna pick up your back legs. Can you come a little forward? Good. Stay. Stay. No. Good boy. Good boy. No. 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 None of that. Try it again. Stand in front of me. Let's just try one leg. See? You can do a scale on one leg. Lift the other leg. Would you not like your left leg being touched? Then you want to snuggle. Do you want to try, let's try standing up again. You'll get a treat this time. I'll hold it in my hand. That'll really work. Okay, ready? Sonoma, come here. This side. No, no, no. We're standing up. Stand. Stand. No. Hey, easy. Stand. What is that? That's it. Stand. Pause. You need both. You need both. There we go. There we go. Okay, we will work on that. Okay, Sonoma, come here. Come here. Lay down next to me. Come on. Down. Down. Face this way. Down. Down. Oh, good. Now, can we... You put your arms on me. Now we're going to lift up and arch. Oh, that's your legs are so heavy. Arch. I can't lift your paws up. Oh. You're heavy. Hey, you. Sonoma. Sonoma. Cutie. Can I have a kiss? Can I kiss? Hey, real kiss. Thank you. Good boy. Yeah. I can do, okay, you stay there. Ready? I'm just gonna do pike. I know. I gotta come up with some things for you to do. I can stretch this way. Feels good. Yeah, you just looked here at the camera, exactly. All right, can you stretch? Sit, 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 stretch. Sonoma, I'm in downward facing dog, where are you? Sonoma, pay attention. Sit. Sonoma, sit. Come on, stretch. There we go, downward facing dog. Not one of your best. You're a beginner, it's okay. We'll work on it. Do you want to go into the tunnel a couple more times? Come on, go into the tunnel. Into the tunnel. Yes, 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 yes. And go back through. Go to the camera. There you go. Go, 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 go. Yeah, this is so fun. Yes. No, don't. Nipping. Come through. Yes. Can you sit? Sonoma, sit. Sit. Oh, yes, downward facing dog. That was it. That was it. Oh, easy, easy. I know you're playful. I know you're playful, but we gotta be easy. All right, good boy. Oh, yeah, that's a sit for you. Good boy. Good boy. Love you. Love you. Good boy. All right, I got treats. Oh, some of them, they're like in different shapes. They're like sports. How fun. Okay, ready? Oh, I feel way too tall up on this. Here we go. Walk, good. Good boy. Keep walking. Forwards. Nope, not towards the treats. Right here. Good boy. Keep walking. All right, that thing's in our way. Good boy, keep walking. Good boy, keep going. Keep going. Can't, no, keep going. That's it, keep going. You can't stop. The treadmill's not gonna stop. Keep going, keep going. No. Spotting you here. Watch where you're going. All right, jump off. Okay, come on. Good boy. Bring it. Hold. Nope. Hold. Give. Yes. Oh, go get it. Bring it. Hold. Give. Almost. Hold. Nope. Hold. Give. Yes. Come. Oh, stay. Oh, flying. Bring it. Hold. Hold. Sonoma. No. Hold. Give. Yes. Good boy. Whoa, nice. Hold. Hold. No. Hold. Sonoma, hold. Sonoma, no. Hold. Hold. Give. Yes. Good boy. Bring it. Hold. Don't drop it before I say give. Hold. Hold. Give. Oh, that one went fine. Go get it. All right, here's my exercise for the day. Besides running around with you. Come on, you gotta tuck harder than that. You were pulling me around last time. Come on, let's go. I'm gonna pull you. There we go. Come on, strong boy. You gotta pull. Tug. There we go. Tug. Tug of war. I'm winning. I'm winning. You getting tired? Tug. Tug, tug, tug. There you go. Tug, 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 tug. Oh, there we go. Yes. That was hard. Ho, ho, ho. Hey, you can't grab the end of my rope. Tug. Tug. Come on. Challenge me. Tug it. Whoa. Slipped. Tug. Yeah, it's harder if I use one arm. You're right. Think you're gonna be tired enough tonight to go to bed? You ran in the snow. You went for a walk. You did the treadmill. We did yoga and fun things. We played ball. And now we're doing tug. Oh, I'm gonna grab both sides. You have me now. Go. Tug, tug, tug.